Hey, what's up everyone? I wanted to hop on here and do a quick review of this fan I just installed. Apologize for the lack of light. I haven't gotten to the LEDs in the ceiling yet. I'm redoing the room that this is in, and I did kind of want, now that I got it set up, kind of want to walk through some of the features. Some of the things that actually drew me to the fan was the fact that one, it is three-bladed, that it doesn't really, you don't really see three-bladed fans too much. It kind of is just a different look as opposed to the standard 5. And it is mounted. It has a small down pole, but the fan does actually come with 3 different lengths of down pole. Let me go grab them. I'll show you. Now it does come mounted with the shortest pole. I think this one's 4¼ inches, but it does come with, I think, an 8.5 or a 9-inch pole. And then it also comes, if you've got really tall ceilings, it comes with a pole that is, I want to say this thing's probably close to 14 inches long, and it'll bring the fan down further off the ceiling. I've got 8-foot ceilings, so the short one is just about all I can do. Now, the mounting part right here was a little bit of a double-edged sword. One, it is nice and all the hardware is concealed. However, that made the install a little bit hard. Basically, this little guy here, that's held on by magnets. That's where the mounting screws are. Basically, all the electronics, it is remote control. So all the receiver, all the wiring, everything is inside this dome. And then that guy just kind of magnets up there. And then you've got, again, all the mechanical, the motor of the fan is actually inside where all the fan blades reside. So this is, and again, it is remote controlled. Let me show you the remote here, because there is some interesting functionality on it. Now again, this is remote controlled, so you've actually got all of your speeds. You got a power up here. You'll actually hear it beep. I don't know if you can hear it there. It'll let you know that it took the command, but there is also you can actually turn off the beeps there as well. Going back and forth, forward, reverse, there's this button right here in the middle, and then we've got all of the different speeds. So for instance, the lowest speed is 1. We'll give it a second, and then it'll actually run through there. But then if you want to go, let's say 6, you wanted to crank it all the way up, it'll go all the way up. And this is actually still relatively silent, and this moves a lot of wind if it is in the summer where you're pushing the air down, and it is on the highest speed like it is right now. I'm feeling a lot of wind coming off of this that I don't know that you're going to, obviously you can't experience on video. Now this does have what I think it's almost like an electrical brake, I would call it, in there. So this does, from the fastest speed, it does actually slow down pretty fast. So if you wanted to, we're going to reverse the direction there, and then we're going to go nice and number 1. And you'll notice it's going to go the other direction. So now this would be the winter setting where it's bringing all your heat up and kind of bringing and circulating everything around the room. So again, it's a really well-built fan. The blades, I didn't actually mention this before, the blades are actual real wood. They're not plastic, they're not a simulation, they are real wood. And everything, if it's wood, if it looks like wood, it is wood. If it looks like metal, it is metal. There's no plastic on this fan anywhere else. So it is a very well built piece, and I'm happy with I'm happy with it. So I think you might be too. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.